What's up guys, my name is WayForward. Welcome to my sixth Visual Basic tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about the select case statement. The select case is more like the if statement, so it depends on which one you familiarize yourself on, so you can just use it with the program. I already copied the code, so let me just paste this there. So this is a simple select case statement. So you can see the structure is more like the if statement, but it's just different. So I have to explain this line by line. So here I have an integer here, which it is a, and you should be familiar with these two lines. This is gonna prompt out the text enter an integer. It should be integer, not integer. Integer. Then the integer will be stored in the variable a. So this is how to use a select case. This is the structure of a simple select case statement. So select case a, so every of the condition which is going to be in the block of the select case will be referred to the variable a. So depending on which variable you're acting on with the select case, just input it here. I believe you get that. So now, because a is an integer, that is why we have case 1 and case 2. Depending on which integer we want to use, it's not compulsory it should be in the appropriate order. It can be case 56. So let's run this and see. So let's say we type 56. You can see you inputted 2. I should have altered that, but it's still correct. You can see we referred to this other line. So that is how to write a simple select case statement. So let's say it's an integer, it's a string. Let's change this to string. So the string is going to be inputted here. So this is going to be case hello, and then should say I, and here also let's change this to case way forward, and then you should have something like he is your friend. So you see that. Let's run this and see. So now I'm gonna type hello, right? Okay, I'm gonna type hello. You can see I have I. So let me add something to this. What if I typed hello? You see I've got nothing. So I talked about this in one of the clips. I can't remember, maybe the third one. I told you something like to lower. So what this does is any string inputted in a should automatically be converted to lowercase. And mind you, if you are using that, each of the variable you are referring to must be in lowercase. So let's run this and type hello in uppercase. You will still get I. So that's the function of the to lower. So I've talked about the strings, I've talked about the integer. So if you are using an integer with the select case, make sure this will be an integer and it won't be in a quotation mark. It will just be a single integer like that. So let's say the user of the program is trying to test the program by typing something different from this program. Let's say I just come here and just type the shape. I still don't have a response. So there's something called the case else statement. So what this does is, if you actually inputted anything aside from the two conditions stated here, so just prompt this out. It is just like the else statement in the if statement. So let's say then here is gonna be I don't understand you. So let's run this and see. Let me just type something different, like school, then see I don't understand you. So that's the function of the case else statement. What it does in the program is, if all these conditions are not met, then it should just say this. So it's just like the if statement where we give the condition by if blah 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 then else. So this is what the else statement does. And always remember to use the end select. Anytime you start a select case, you must always end a select case with the end select case. And the function of this, you should know, if I don't have this in my program, then once it's pop up, it's just let me say I typed any of this, it's just gonna go back. So the function of that is just to hold down the screen. That's what it does. It's just hold onto the screen. I explained that in my first clip, I can remember that. So let's say I just type something there, then I don't understand you. So that's the function of the console.read line in the outside the block of the program. And this is how to use a simple select case statement. So probably in the future tutorial I'll be doing, I would share more light and use the select case to solve some program. So thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Peace.